Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we will learn how to download the Barbieri font for free. You need to buy it. I have a font like it. So open your browser. Go to the link in the description. Then follow me. Scroll down. This is the font, its name is Market Bold. Click on Market Bold download. Click on link 1, if it do not work, then click on link 2. When it's downloaded, extract it. Then there will be a true type font file. Cut it and follow me. Go here. And here. Paste here. The font will download, then it will come in any app. Let me show you an example. I will open Word. Let me write something. Now go here and find the name Market. Then click it, it changed to it. That's it for today.
Please remember to subscribe and watch my latest videos. Please like the video and share it with friends. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.